All right. Welcome to week 6. This is try number 2 for me. My internet decided to go out on me first time. So week 6 is going to be kind of similar to last week in the sense that we're still discussing theory. So you're going over chapter 16. I once again broke those PowerPoints up into the specific theories. So if there's one that you want to spend more time on or want to go a little bit deeper, you can kind of spend more time as needed in that particular theory. So the big one for this week is that you will be completing your final signature assignment. So as a reminder, your signature assignment goes in both Blackboard and live text, just the handout, not the video. So I will jump over to the assignments tab. Good. The internet stayed with me this time. All right. I'm going to scroll down. All right. So I want to jump up here to the assignment materials. At this point, I have approved all topics. You might have had some commentary with me going about my biggest recommendation is that just please make sure you select a specific activity. I know some people are just putting topics on the proposal, which is fine. But I always like to stress, I've had students do this in the past and they've done it more as just a discussion of a topic, and that's not the purpose of this. I really want you to be conducting an activity. And so I can't stress that enough. And so students just tend to do better when it's a specific activity. So if you haven't, please watch the video that goes through both of the rubrics for this, both for the video and for the handout. Some recommendations when you're doing the video. If you record it before your group goes on their merry way, make sure to watch your video. Make sure the technology works. Make sure you can hear both you and the participants. I suggest testing that before you've led the whole thing. Make sure kind of all your technology is cooperating with you and that you can hear it and that it's working. You can even have your participants test it out so that they know kind of what volume they should be speaking at, things like that. So it just makes it a lot easier on me, and you get way better feedback if I can actually hear both the participants and yourself. So, okay, so go through these different rubrics. Make sure you're aware of these. These are all the recording options down here at the bottom. So let me know if you have any questions. The big thing with the handout, I knew there was something else I was supposed to tell you all. The handout, I will be going through and finishing up grading your group proposals. I'm working on those. I'm getting those done as fast as I can. So wait to turn in the handout until you've received that feedback. Some of those sections are pretty similar. And so you want to make sure that you know how to write a SMART goal, things like that, and that you can utilize my feedback to improve upon. So you'll for sure want to wait on turning in the handout once you get your feedback from your first paper. And of course, any questions you have, jump on the Q&A discussion board, post those there. If you email me, if it's a general one, I'll probably then compile a list and bounce that over to the Q&A discussion board. So let me know, reach out as you have questions.